Welcome back, everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the problem when PayPal says you can't transfer your money. Even if you're new to PayPal, don't worry, this will be super easy. First, open your PayPal account and go to your wallet. This is where your PayPal balance, cards, and bank accounts appear. If PayPal is not letting you transfer money, the first thing to check is whether you actually have a bank account or card linked. PayPal needs at least one valid withdrawal method. If you don't have any linked, the transfer option will be blocked. To fix that, click on Link a Bank or Link a Card, add your details, and confirm them. Once your bank or card is verified, try the transfer again. If you already added a bank or card but still can't transfer money, the next thing to look at is pending or on hold funds. Sometimes PayPal holds payments if they seem unusual or new. When money is on hold, PayPal doesn't allow transfers until the payment is cleared. To fix this, go to Activity, open the payment that's on hold, and look for options like Add Tracking Info, Confirm Order Status, or Mark as Shipped. If it was a service or digital product, choose Order Processed. This helps PayPal release the money faster. If there's no hold and your bank details are correct, the issue might be account limitations. PayPal limits your account if they need identity verification. Go to Settings, then Account, and check for any notifications asking you to confirm your name, address, PAN card, or identity documents. Complete any pending verification, and the transfer option usually becomes available again within a short time. Another common issue is maximum transfer limits. New PayPal accounts often have lower limits until you verify your email address, your phone number, and complete the KYC identity verification from the settings menu. If you still can't transfer money, make sure you're not trying to transfer an amount that's less than PayPal's minimum withdrawal limit or more than the available balance. Even small differences like currency mismatches can block transfers. Go back to your wallet and make sure your balance is in the correct currency for withdrawal. Finally, sometimes the issue comes from PayPal itself. Temporary system problems or maintenance can stop withdrawals. In that case, wait a few minutes and try again. You can also check PayPal's Help Center and search Transfer Money Not Working for service updates. And that's it. These simple checks will fix almost every can't transfer your money problem on PayPal. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.